Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In this lesson I want to demonstrate using the different tags. So I want to show you paragraph, bold, italics, and then horizontal line and a line break. So I took this from Word, and you can see clearly that there are two different paragraphs, and I'm going to save this and I'm going to run my code in my browser, and to do that you click launch in Chrome. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you that even though I have put this in two separate paragraphs, remember this is a text editor, there is no formatting whatsoever in the text editor. You can, and I'm using Notepad++ for HTML. You would need to give it commands, and the reason that we use a text editor is if we want to send information to somebody and we know that they don't, for example, have a Word software, and they can just simply read the information. It doesn't have to be formatted and look all fancy. Alright, so let's have a look at what it looks like in our web browser. Alright, so here's the title. Remember, we put that in our header, and we put the tag's title around the heading ICT Lesson 1. And as you can see, everything is in one line. So now we need to go back to the drawing board, and we need to put in different tags to format this so it looks a little better and a little bit more user-friendly. Right, so the first thing that we want to do is to put this into paragraphs. So I'm going to put the tag over here, and I'm sure you've guessed it, P. Remember, there is a cheat sheet for you to use, and at the end of this I'm going to put my closing, remember / is my closing tag, okay, and this will automatically divide this into two paragraphs, but just for demonstration purposes I'm going to put in my next P for paragraph, and I want to close it. Okay, so let's save, let's go to our web page and refresh. Right, there we have it in two paragraphs, and now I want to create two lines. So I want this to go onto a new line, and I'm going to put in the tag BR /. Now you'll notice that looks a little different, that tag, to the closing tag here. And the reason for that, you can't put an opening and a closing tag around text to say create a new line. Okay, so it's a line break. So that is why we have BR and then /. So it is one of those tags that's all in one. It's the same as a horizontal line. You can't put anything around an instruction that says horizontal line, because this is the instruction. The angle brackets and the element is the instruction. Alright. And if we refresh, there we go. Okay. And I want to make this heading bold, the word, and I'm going to say B. It's nice in Word, you just go and highlight it and you just click on bold because it's already been coded for you. Okay, and I want powerful to be in italics, so I'm going to save, and let's refresh. Bold, video, powerful, italics, excellent. And then over here I'd like to put in a horizontal line, and once again HR and then / close angle bracket. Oh gosh, I keep doing that, common mistake of mine. And you can see it goes to purple, so it's an opening and closing tag all in one. Okay, and let's refresh, and there's my horizontal line. In a further video I'm going to show you how we add elements to change the width, the color, the thickness, etc. of our horizontal line. We're going to look at how we put in images, we're going to look at how we put in tables, etc. I think that's all that I needed to cover for this lesson. So once again, just remember, always type in doc type in the header, know this content, the metadata, and then if you want to bold, if you want to put a paragraph, if you want to underline, italics, etc. Those are the tags that you would use. And on your cheat sheet it will show you more tags that you can use. Alright, so go and practice this. Practice makes perfect. And I'll see you in the next lesson then. Take care. Bye-bye.